Are you planning to flip your condo investment? Well, hold on to that thought for a moment, as I would like to share with you my personal views as to why you shouldn't be flipping your condo unit. So people are asking, should I or should I not flip my condo unit? My very direct answer is no. Hold on to those investments as long as possible. I have 7 reasons as to personally I don't encourage people to flip their condo units. 1. It's a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a very short-term view of your real estate investments, and thinking that way will not make you wealthy over time. Now, if your goal is to build your passive income or your income replacement plan, then what you need when you're doing real estate investments is patience and delayed gratification mindset. The second reason is about the down payment stage. Now, few people have an understanding that during down payment, they can actually flip their unit, because a lot of the developers in the Philippines have their internal process of how to transfer the ownership from you as a current owner to the new investor. So you also have to factor about the cost of the transfer fees. What about the documentation process? What about the time frame? Because when you are flipping during the down payment stage, you have to flip it as quickly as possible. And lastly, what if the consultant who promised you support when you are purchasing it is not there anymore to help you find a new buyer? Third, you will lose the ability to build your cash flow or income replacement plan, which we know is the key to your financial freedom. So what does cash flow means? In my previous video, I have explained that the cash flow is created from the difference between your bank financing and your rental income. Fourth, not all property that were easily sold out can give you the guarantee that it can be easily flipped this time. Have you considered about your secondary market? What if it's very difficult to find your market at this stage? You also have to consider the economic condition. What if it's recession and the market has corrected, the prices may have gone down, and no one wants to buy? The fifth reason is that your income is only limited to the number of units you have flipped. What if you were only able to flip 1 unit in every 3 years? Number 6, the tax benefit. Did you know that if you sell your property, you will have to pay capital gains? And at the moment, it's 6%. But if you decide to hold on to your investments, when you rent it out, you can deduct the management cost, so which means lesser tax. And last but not the least, the value appreciation of your property, which is the increase of your assets over time. I hope what I have given to you today is very useful for you before you make a decision. If you think that others can benefit from this, please feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be notified on my next video upload. Aside from this topic, I have also created few videos about real estate investments. So click on the playlist and enjoy. Together, let's make a difference. This has been Mad with Samira saying, keep safe and stay healthy, everyone.